Imagine a roller coaster paused at the very top of a steep drop. It's perfectly still, yet it's buzzing with a hidden power, the potential for pure chaos. Then it plunges, and that stored energy explodes into a roar of speed. This is the dance of mechanical energy. First, you have the energy of the rush, kinetic energy. It's the energy any moving object has. Its power comes from a simple equation where velocity is squared. This tiny detail has massive consequences. It's why a car at 100 kilometers per hour isn't just twice as dangerous as one at 50, it's 4 times as dangerous. Doubling your speed quadruples your destructive energy. So where did that roller coaster speed come from? It came from its savings account, potential energy. This is the invisible reservoir of strength stored in an object's position or condition. When you lift a rock against gravity, you're packing it with gravitational potential energy. When you stretch a bowstring, you're loading it with elastic potential energy. It's the power waiting to be unleashed. Think of a 2-kilogram rock held 10 meters high. It holds 196 joules of potential energy. Drop it, and just before it hits the ground, that stored potential has been cashed in, transformed into 196 joules of kinetic energy. The numbers stay the same, the form just changes. And unlike force, energy has no direction. It's a scalar, just a number. 2 cars of the same mass and speed hitting head-on have the exact same kinetic energy. Potential energy is the savings account. Kinetic energy is the cash. Understanding how to calculate them, how they flow from one to the other, is the first step towards the most important law in all of science, the conservation of energy.